Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. This is the second part of my Stylized Robot Witch tutorial series. This video covers key stages of texturing. I set the highest possible amount of rays on all tabs, disable the ID section, and set subsampling to 16, which may be a bit excessive, 4 would be enough. Here you can pause the video to see all applied preset materials. I also add some dust and highlight edges just a little bit to give this lady an even more cartoony look. This is how it's done. I use several versions of steel painted worn material that have different amounts of rust and different color balances. I place materials to separate folders, mask these folders, and paint corresponding model parts with Polygon Fill tool. I copy the basic material and play around with its rust settings so that some parts of the model don't get covered in rust completely. Should you decide to animate fingers with the help of bone system, it would be a wise decision to give them some kind of a rubber material. I use a modified version of a rubber dry preset material to paint the robot's arms and legs. I also use a differently colored rubber dry mat to paint her pants. For eyes I use a default plastic glossy material. I enable emission and apply it to the default material. Remember to give it some basic color though. It may be essential should you decide to make her blink or disable emission at some point. I also activate emission layers for dust and dirt that cover her eyes. I leave emission color black, so they stand out from the general emission. I switch to orthographic projection and paint stylized cat-like eyeballs by unmasking a fill layer with Paint Among Paths tool. This approach allows me to keep control over all essential settings. Remember to give those eyeballs both normal and emission layers. Here I do some final changes to brush settings, defining the contour of eyes. I also apply the similar steel painted worn material to the horseshoe itself to make it match the style of the rest of the model. Finally I create a paint layer, set all of its blending options to pass through, and use the clone stamp tool to mask all visible UV seams. Thanks for watching guys! If you got any value from this video, be my guest to subscribe to my channel for more stylized content. And most importantly, have a great day!